I prepare. So, my topic is all about common and proper nouns. And my content standard is recognize common and proper noun in simple sentences listed. And performance standard, identify the proper and common nouns in simple sentences listed too. And my learning objectives are cognitive, identify the proper and common nouns and simple sentences. Affective, demonstrate understanding and the importance of using proper and common noun. And my psychomotor is write a simple sentence using proper and common nouns. So my reference are teacher guide page 52 to 54 as MELC page 179 and learning activity sheets worksheets number 3 or module ng grade 2. Materials I will use is cell phone and PowerPoint presentation. So again, good morning class. Before we start, let us pray. So, good morning class. So, how was your weekend? That's good. Have you enjoyed your weekend bonding with your family?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, class. First, let's check your attendance. Say present if you are here, ha? Since no one is absent today, very good. Please maintain that perfect attendance. So, before tayo mag-review, again, what are the 5 classroom rules that we have? Yes, first, very good. First, try your best. Second, listen to others. Third, be kind to others. 4, be polite. 5, and have fun. Okay, very good. Before we move on our next lesson, again, what are the vowels and consonants letters? So, how many vowels do we have?
5, ma'am.
Very good. We have 5 vowels. And these are A, E, I, O, and U. And how many consonants do we have? Very good. We have 21 consonants. And that's our letter B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So excellent. So I have here different features. So what can you see in the picture? Very good. Cool. And then in the next picture, what did you see? What are the things that you see in the picture?
Pencil, ma'am.
Scissors,
Bat.
Okay, very good.
books,
Okay, very good. Things used in school are seen in that picture, like scissor, bag, pencil, ruler, notebook, and crayons. So, Are you familiar to all the things that used in the in school?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Teacher.
Okay, very good. So, okay, now we are going to read a short story. We are going to find out what are the things of Pam and Karen in school, okay? Are you ready to listen, class?
Yes, ma'am, teacher.
So, what are you going to do while listening to the short story? You must sit properly and listen carefully. So, Pam and Karen are sisters. Pam is 8 years old while Karen is 6 years old. They are studying in Rizal Elementary School. Pam has a red school bag while Karen has a yellow school bag. Both of them use Mongol pencil and they always wear Adidas shoes. So, again, who are the children in the story? Very good. Pam and Karen. What are the things of Pam and Karen in the school? In school. Very good. Pam and Karen has bag, pencils, and shoes. So, where did they studying? Very good. In Rizal Elementary School. So, Pam, Karen, bags, pencil, shoes, and Rizal Elementary School are example of nouns. So again, what is noun? Very good. Nouns are names of persons, things, animals, and places. So there are two types of like did you see in that picture? They have animals, persons, things, and places. So there are two types of nouns. The common noun and the proper noun. So, a common noun, names of any person, things, animals, and places. It does not start with capital letter unless used at the beginning of a sentence. So, I have here a different example of nouns. A common noun. Dre, lumayas ka muna. Sorry po. Dre, balik ka dun kay lula mo! Balik ka dun. Mamaya ka na. Sorry, ma'am. So, I have here example of common nouns in persons like father, mother, policeman, teacher, doctor. Oh, that are the example of person in common nouns. They don't have a specific name, so they just start with a small letter. Okay, class? So, another example. Things. Yeah, books, laptop, shoes, and television. Again, they don't have a specific name, so they just start with a small letter. So, in animals naman, we have bird, dog, cat, rabbit. Yan. Again, as you see, they don't have a specific name, so they just start with a small letter. Again, class, what is common noun? Very good. A common noun is names of any person, things, animals, and places. So, how do we identify the common noun in a simple sentences again? Very good. They don't have a specific name. So, they just start with a small letter, as you can see in my example. So, next, places. I have also example in different places, like playground, church, school, and mall. And also, they don't have a specific name, so they just start with a small letter. So again, next is proper noun. A proper noun names a specific person, things, animals, and places instead of a general one. It is the exact and special name for any noun. It always begins with a capital letter. So I have also example of different proper nouns. In persons, so we have, wait. So in person, in father, as you can see, the name of this father is Marlon. The name of this mother is Lorna. The name of this policeman is Sergeant Lucas. They have exact name. So, here, the doctor and the teacher. So, the name of this, her name is Mrs. Garcia. She is the teacher. And the doctor name is Dr. Pizarro. Marlon, Lorna, Sergeant Lucas, Mrs. Garcia, and Dr. Pizarro are example of proper noun. So, another example in things. So, the name of this book is Essential English to book. Essential English 2 is the specific name of this book. So, sa laptop, the branch of this laptop is Acer. It is the specific name of a laptop. The laptop, did you see in that ano? So, in shoes, the branch of these shoes is Adidas. Adidas is the specific name of these shoes. So, the specific name of this television is LG. It is the brand of the television. So, the essential book 2, Acer, Adidas, and LG are example of proper noun. Again, it begins with capital letter. So, another example of proper noun in animals are like this. In common noun, so in this bird, the common noun is bird and the proper noun is Tweety. So again, what animals did you see in the picture? Very good. Bird. So next is the common noun is dog and the proper noun is Brownie. Brownie is the name of the dog. So, another example. The common noun is cat and the proper noun is Charlie. In this another picture. The common noun is rabbit and the proper noun is Tumpy. The cat and rabbit is common noun. Charlie and Tumpy is proper noun. So, as you can see, in this example, the proper noun begins with a capital letter and the common noun begins with small letter since we are not using it in a sentence. So, did you understand, class? And the last place in the last places. So, the common noun are playground, church, and the proper noun is time zone, and the name of the church, which is St. Peter and Paul Parish. Next is the common noun are school and mall. And the proper noun is the name of the school, which is Samal Elementary School and Mega Mall. So, the time zone, St. Peter and Paul Parish and Samal Elementary School and Mega Mall are proper noun. Did you understand, class? Very good. Let's see if you understand our lesson. So, I have a few questions to you, class. Is it important to understand the importance of using proper and common noun in our daily lives? Very good. Because it helps us to easily identify and describe a person, place, things, or idea that is specific and concrete. So why is it important to know proper nouns? Proper nouns identify specific people, places, and things. Using proper nouns correctly clarifies your writing and ensures that readers know exactly what you are talking about. So okay, I have here examples of proper and common nouns. So look for the common nouns and proper nouns used in the story. So you will just answer, okay? So in column A, it is the specific, in column A are the common nouns and its specific name are the proper nouns in column B. So, who want to answer? And number 1, sisters. What is the proper noun? Okay, very good. Pam and Karen. School. Very good. Rizal Elementary School. Next, pencil. Very good. Mongol is the specific name of pencil. So, shoes. Very good. Adidas is the brand of the shoes in the story. So, so I have here an activity. Group yourself into 5 members and write a simple sentence using proper and common nouns. Provided below, okay class? So I will give you 7 minutes to do that activity and later we will check it, okay? Okay, you will just group yourself into 5 and will write a simple sentence using proper and common nouns. Okay. So, next is, again, what are the 2 types of nouns? Very good. The 2 types of nouns are the common nouns
Common noun and proper.
and proper nouns. Next, what is common and proper noun again, class? A common nouns are names of any persons, things, animals, and places. It does not start with a capital letter unless used at the beginning of a sentence. So a proper noun names a specific person, things, animal, and places instead of a general one. It is the exact and special name for any noun. It always begins with a capital letter in ay. It always begins with a capital letter. Did you understand, class? So, next is, it is an individual activity. So, I will give you 5 minutes to do this and later we will answer it, okay? Choose the proper nouns and common nouns and write them under the proper column. Okay, class? So, 5 minutes later, also we will answer this activity na. So, check your answer if it correct, okay? So, in first sentence, I love Camarines Norte, my own province. What is the common nouns and the proper nouns? What is the common nouns first? Very good. Province. And the proper nouns is Camarines Norte. So second, my pet dog Bantay says bow wow wow. Bow wow. Bow wow wow. So, what is the common noun in that sentence? Very good. The dog. And the proper noun.
Bantay.
Okay, very good. So, number 3. So, Sampaguita is our national flower. What is the common noun in that sentence?
Flower. Flower,
Very
ma'am.
good. Very good. And the proper noun? Bob,
Sampaguita.
very good. So, next is I like Crayola color. So, what is the common noun in the sentence?
Color, ma'am.
Very good. So, the proper noun is
Crayola.
Crayola. Very good. So, next is Mary Ann is the best among my friends. So, what is the common nouns in that sentence? Friend. Very good. And the proper nouns is Mary Ann. So, very good class. So, for tomorrow, I will give you an assignment. So, you will just copy this in your notebook and write the common noun for each proper noun, which is Mongol, Adidas, Samsung, Toblerone, and Nido. Okay, class? Did you understand, class?
Yes.
So, okay, very good. So, since magagaling kayo, let's give us 5 claps, class, before we end this discussion, this lesson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, thank you, class. See you again tomorrow. Thank
Bye,
you, ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you po.
Bye, ma'am. Galing.
Bye, ma'am. Ay, kala ko student ako. Sorry.